As I reflected on ways in which people have available to develop themselves, ways in which people gave me opportunities to be developed, my general takeaway is there's a limit to the effectiveness of those channels to be able to develop yourself. In a lot of ways, you're really in the deep end trying to figure out how to swim. There's a lot of stuff that gosh, if somebody sat down and went through it and you had a conscious practice around it, you could accelerate things. And that's my belief here. It's a strange paradox. We all work with executives. We see their behaviors, we see their actions. One level is sort of easily observable. At another level, they're thinking about the business differently. There's a material difference in how they think about the business. There's a material difference in the activities that they do. Like they're in the matrix and we're not. Says you wish you could have that opportunity as a developing executive. How do I get access to this kind of stuff?